Here are some high-impact, healthy eating tips to boost your health, energy, and overall well-being. 1. Prioritize whole foods. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These are nutrient-dense, keeping you full longer while providing essential vitamins and minerals. 2. Manage portion sizes. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portion sizes. Follow the half-your-plate veggies, a quarter protein, and a quarter whole grains rule for balanced meals. 3. Choose healthy fats. Incorporate sources of unsaturated fats like avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish, e.g., salmon. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats found in processed foods. 4. Plan and prep meals. Batch cook and prepare meals ahead of time to avoid unhealthy last-minute choices. Pre-chop veggies and portion snacks to save time during busy days. 5. Stay hydrated. Drink water throughout the day. Thirst is often mistaken for hunger. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint for flavor if plain water feels boring. 6. Limit added sugars. Check labels for hidden sugars in condiments, snacks, and drinks. Choose natural sweeteners like honey or fruit when needed. 7. Eat mindfully. Avoid eating while distracted, e.g., watching TV. Savor each bite and pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. 8. Include protein in every meal. Protein helps maintain muscle and keeps you full longer. Opt for lean sources like chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, beans, and low-fat dairy. 9. Prioritize fiber. Include fiber-rich foods like whole grains, beans, fruits, and vegetables. Fiber supports digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and promotes satiety. 10. Balance your macros. Maintain a good balance of carbs, proteins, and fats in every meal to support energy and recovery. 11. Snack smart. Replace chips and cookies with healthier options like Greek yogurt, nuts, or fresh fruits. Keep snacks portion controlled to avoid overeating. 12. Limit processed foods. Cut back on prepackaged, processed foods high in sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Instead, cook at home with fresh ingredients. 13. Experiment with herbs and spices. Use spices like turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and garlic to boost flavor and health benefits. Avoid relying on salt or high-sodium seasonings. 14. Eat consistently. Have regular meal times to keep blood sugar stable and avoid overeating later. 15. Listen to your body. Learn to differentiate between hunger and emotional eating triggers. Stop eating when you feel about 80% full to avoid overeating. Would you like recipes or meal ideas that align with these tips? Let us know in the comments section below.